So we'll go ahead and start from our online scheduler. The SUMO online scheduler, what it does, it makes it possible for students to self-schedule appointments. And this link can be added to any website, social media, even part of a marketing campaign. And of course, it's available on or accessible on any device. So as a student, what I'm able to do is select between where I need the appointment to happen. So we're adapting to their needs here. SUMO's adapting to the needs and making these options between where the appointment needs to happen easily configurable and available to our higher ed clients. A student's then able to choose which service they'd like to learn more about, the title of the service, the duration, even some details about what they're requesting or the service they're requesting. Again, you can pass parameters, minimize clicks. SUMO is extremely configurable in ensuring that we match the needs of your business to offer multiple services or even to predefine it to just one. After a student has selected a service, they can go ahead and choose a date and time. This availability here could belong to one specific resource, such as an advisor, or even a group of advisors where SUMO can auto-assign that appointment. But for the student, it's simple and easy for them to choose a date and time, add additional participants such as parents, or if this is part of the application process, I can upload that information here. And from there, it's simple and easy for a student to fill in their information. And again, SUMO supports standard and custom fields, and we're going to go ahead and relate this information into Salesforce as an automated process. From here, the students receives a confirmation page. They see who they're scheduling the appointment with, all the details of the appointment. They even have the option to reschedule or cancel a meeting. Confirmation emails are auto sent out to all participants, as well as ICS files sent to all primary calendars for all participants as well. So after the student has scheduled that initial appointment, the next step, or the way that UW Foster School of Business is using it, is they want to be able to send out follow-up appointments to either during the enrollment process or even to students after they're enrolled in the school. So with SUMO, we have the new appointment button, and this is integrated seamlessly into your Salesforce or org. It is, of course, it works in your education cloud, and there's no third-party connectors. It's truly integrated into your org. And from here, what we can do is schedule off of any custom or standard object where an advisor or part of a recruiter is able to easily define an appointment, where it needs to happen, set the duration, customize if needed. All the participant information is auto added. And from here, what we're able to do is confirm with Charlotte when she'd like to schedule that follow-up appointment, and that appointment can easily be booked. In the case where a student is unable to confirm a date and time, SUMO also offers our email and invite button. And what that allows is for an advisor, an admissions department, really anyone within a university or college to define what the appointment needs to be about, where it needs to happen, the duration. There's other options to be able to truly customize this time of when you're presenting to a student. Again, all the participant information has been predefined. Of course, a user also has the ability to add additional resources or additional hosts to this appointment. And what we're going to do, or what an advisor is able to do, is go ahead and send their real-time availability based on standard hours, as well as whatever is presenting as free and busy in a primary calendar, and send an invitation out to a student, a very personalized experience where the student receives a notification and can click on the link to open up this personalized invitation to meet with my advisor. So as a student, I can confirm in a date and time, opt in for text reminders, invite additional participants. You can add additional custom fields that you'd like to map back to the record in Salesforce, and they can just lock in this meeting. And from here, again, notifications and reminders are auto sent out via email. You have the option to send out via text, and ICS files are sent as well. And for all appointments that are scheduled, SUMO does auto-relate that appointment into Salesforce for you for any custom or standard fields. So for the case for events, SUMO also supports courses and events from our multi-calendar object. This is all included with the platform. So from here, what an advisor or a user, a SUMO user can do is from their Salesforce org, they have the ability to either schedule an appointment, an event in course. They can schedule it for themselves or even for someone else within the school. And they can even send out these invitations for the SUMO event links. And what this does is it allows a student, so it could be a public or a private link, to click on a link to self-schedule for, say for this example, an orientation, fill out the information so that they know that confirmation email is coming directly to them. And they can self-register for this event. And once they've done that, from the multi-calendar, an advisor or an event coordinator has the ability to see who's registered for the event, confirm who's booked, and they also have the option to see even appointments that are scheduled to other hosts with the ability to drag and drop if necessary, edit, reschedule, all from one single interface. So hopefully with today's demo, I was able to enlighten you on how our higher ed and how your higher ed clients are able to leverage SUMO technology to truly offer a better experience and support students from recruitment through graduation.